not good YouTubers, are we?
No, we're not made for this.
Hey guys, we're Adam and Steph, and we're converting a 2007 International school bus into a tiny home. For over a year, we have posted a new video at least every other week updating you on our build or even some recent travels. But this time, life just got in the way.
So our summer's been super busy. I'm a video producer and summertime is the busy time for me. I have a lot of real estate videos that I'm making, and I got weddings and events, and I'm like super swamped with videos. And to be a YouTuber and make videos as well, it's a lot. Like all week I'm looking at a timeline or I'm filming, and so finding the time to film this as well has been challenging.
Yeah. I started a new job in February, so I've been pretty busy with that as well, working as a server, making some extra cash for the build and saving up for our travels in the future when the build is done. That's what I've been up to. So between me and Adam pretty much working full time, it's really hard to find free time to work on the bus and make videos on top of that.
We've been shifting our priorities a little bit with the build. Our initial plan was to be done by the end of the summertime. It was optimistic at best to hope for that. We have fallen behind, obviously, because we've been so busy, but we've changed our outlook on our completion of the build. There's a couple other things than just having the bus done that we're gonna have to have complete for us to start living in the bus full time. So we have to have the bus done, but we need some money saved up because we need to live off of something while we're traveling.
Yeah.
We do want to work out of the bus, and I want to be able to format my video business in a way that I can work from the road. I'm looking for editing jobs, and I'm thinking of making my website designed in a way that is more mobile, so I can show up in different places and do work there. But figuring those things out is part of the exit strategy, and making money is a huge part of the exit strategy. And so while we're busy, really we're still working towards our goal of living full-time in the bus.
And as you guys could probably tell, we're not doing our build in the cheapest and most affordable way.
Yeah.
We are spending a little bit more money and more time on our build than others. And that's just because Adam and I are both very much perfectionists, and we, want to build a dream home, something that we'll be really, really proud of in the end. So it obviously takes more time and money.
Our goal with the bus was never to be a budget home. This was designed to be the perfect home.
Yeah.
We want this to be the most comfortable, long-term solution to freedom that we could create. Things like AC and extra insulation and window deletes are things that we think will make us love the bus even more and make us want to live in it for a very long time.
With all that being said, it's not only because we've been really busy. We have still been working on the bus. However, we haven't really been filming much because it's also hard to film a consistent video when we're working on the bus inconsistently. So we've taken a break from making videos for a while. The last month we haven't uploaded a video. So we also want to include some snippets of what we have been working on. Like, for example, we installed a hitch on the bus. We finished the front door and how it locks. We've also installed some speakers in the front here, and we started on our bedroom.
We're going to continue to make videos about the bus and what we're doing.
Yeah.
We're doing some stuff that is kind of like repetitive. Some things we've done before in videos, we're just doing more of on the interior, and we're not really breaking new ground with what we're doing. And so for us to just focus down on getting the job done so that this bus will be done in a timely manner so that you can see us actually travel in it, we find is a bit more important right now than making videos about here's another overhead cabinet, here's another piece of plywood going on the wall.
Yeah.
It's the same stuff over and over again. When we do groundbreaking stuff, I really want to film it. Mm-hmm. We did film a lot of the front door mod that I made, but I lost the footage. So
yeah, that was.
I have a couple clips, and we're gonna throw it in the video here on how I designed that. But there was a lot more to it, and I don't know what I did with the clips. So that video has just gone into the abyss of not getting copied off the cards. And that kind of circles back to me being a full-time video producer and having so much other videos on the go that this falls to a low priority, especially considering those videos make me money to be able to build this. These videos, as great as YouTube can be in the future for us, isn't making us much money, so we have to put our focus on what will get us there fastest.
Yeah. We also have found recently with our videos that we're getting into a slump of just B-rolling everything we do with music on top, and it's not really showing a lot of our personality, and we really want to show more of our personality, and we want to have more fun with the builds because
we take the bus too seriously.
we really do take it very seriously, and sometimes it just ends up in us fighting, which we have to cut out of a lot of videos.
Yeah.
So
We're going to make this square. It's not square to the back wall. And that's the problem that you're not understanding. This square, did you turn the camera on?
you know, it's sad, but it's the reality of working on such a big project as a couple.
Yeah.
And we're working through that. So
It's a big thing and we have high expectations.
yeah.
I've been dreaming of building a vehicle into a home for, I don't know, 15 years.
Yeah.
And so like now that I'm doing it, my mentality is like, it's got to be absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
I've watched millions of hours of YouTube and all these how-to videos on how to do it. The reality is different than what you've watched. Like reality is never what you see on YouTube. There's always things cut out. There's always things take longer, or you got 100 friends helping you, or you got way more money than it makes it seem.
Yeah.
Or you got way more patience. I don't know what it is, but actually doing it is much more difficult, and working through that together runs into some challenges. Just she has expectations, I have expectations. I want to do things a certain way, she wants to do things a certain way, and then we just kind of butt heads on that. And that's real life. We cut it out because it's like, it's cringy and it's not something we want to like broadcast, but like I feel like saying it now is like fighting as a couple while trying to work on something so big is normal.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's our normal. I don't know anybody else doing this, so I have no reference point, but we have to navigate things a certain way, and we're just kind of figuring that out as we go.
Yeah.
And I have to make sure she's fed, because she's hungry. It doesn't matter what I do.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
So as we said, we're still hoping to be done this build by wintertime. You know, that's sort of our goal, is to be out of Northern Ontario by the winter. I don't know if we can survive another winter here. They are pretty brutal. So,
Yeah.
And then head straight south with the bus, and
That would be ideal.
that's the plan. But hopefully we have enough time in between everything that we're doing currently to really get our butts into gear to get it done for the winter time. And that might mean that we're not filming as much, or we're not making as many videos, but we really hope that we're making the videos and the content that we want and that we're really proud of as well. We don't want to just put out half-assed videos either.
Yeah, we'll get there when we get there. We're hoping for winter time, but we have to have all of our ducks in a row.
Yeah.
All of them, not just the bus being done. Most of the crazy stuff that we're doing with the bus is pretty much all done.
Yeah.
The skylight was like the biggest, craziest, stupid thing. The next crazy thing was the windows, the window deletes.
Yeah.
Now that those things are done, I feel like things are going to start moving quicker, even though we're putting less time into it.
Yeah.
There's a couple big hurdles we still have in front of us, and that's electrical and plumbing. I'm as we said, perfectionists, and I want a crazy water system, and it's kind of slowing me down mentally. Like, it's all, when you're building a bus, it's all kind of all in here.
Yeah.
When doing it, you spend 3-4 hours actually executing your plan. But trying to reinvent the wheel is I think one of our biggest slowdowns with our bus. I find myself overthinking every project.
We're really proud of ourselves, like of how far we've already come in the last year. When you really sit back and look at everything we've done, I'm really proud of everything that we've accomplished so far. And even with our channel, like we have over 2,000 subscribers now, which is amazing. And we hope to continue growing our channel, and then hopefully one day maybe really rely on YouTube as a source of income.
Yeah.
So, and to keep us on the road and share our travels, because that's something that we're really passionate about.
The whole goal with this channel is to explore and go on adventures full time, and we want to make this channel an adventure channel.
Yeah.
That's where we're headed. That's where we want to be, and we just feel like we're kind of stagnated at the build part. Big achievers.
We are.
Big dreamers.
Yeah, we're very big dreamers.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day we'll get there.
We're gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I mean, I didn't spend the last 2 years of my life sweating in this bus to not live on the road.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah.